हेलो स्वागत है आपका एक और मैच एनालिसिस और फैंटेसी 11 प्रेडिक्शन वीडियो में। इट इज द 8th मैच ऑफ द T20 वर्ल्ड कप व्हिच इज बांग्लादेश वर्सेस इंग्लैंड. Two good teams, and if you talk about England's first performance, it has been beautifully amazing. Be with us till the end of this video where we tell you how do you make your playing 11 out of the 22 players. Hello and welcome to another video by Cricket Tips. My name is Manthan and in this video we are going to do the complete match analysis of England versus Bangladesh. And before we discuss the playing 11, let us look at some important statistics. Now England and Bangladesh are facing against each other in a T20 match for the very first time. So they have not played against each other ever. But if you look at both of these teams' performances in this T20 tournament, then it is England that defeated West Indies by a crushing margin. The defending champions were all out for just 55 runs. Very high on net run rate and very high on confidence. England is going to face Bangladesh in today's match. On the other hand, Bangladesh, which hardly qualified for the T20 tournament, has already lost the first match of this tournament against Sri Lanka. So they are not in good form, not in good confidence. It remains to be seen what happens in this wonderful match. The chances and odds of England winning the match are pretty much high. Now let's talk about the most important part of this video, which is the pitch report. Now this match is going to get played in the Sheikh Zayed Abu Dhabi Stadium. The average score on this pitch is 139, and in general 53 T20 matches have been played on this pitch, out of which 29 times the team that has chose to bat second has won the match, and therefore toss will play a very crucial role, and our fantasy 11 team will consist of bowlers and bowling all-rounders. चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा प्लेइंग 11 एंड लेट्स बिगिन विद द विकेट कीपर्स. विकेट कीपिंग में आपके पास दो ऑप्शन. नंबर 1 मुशफिकुर रहीम फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश एंड जॉस बटलर फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. नाउ वी विल सजेस्ट बोथ ऑफ दीज प्लेयर्स इन योर टीम एज विकेट कीपर्स कंसीडरिंग देयर गुड फॉर्म. Number 1 Mushfiqur Rahim from Bangladesh. Now he has scored 57 runs not out in the first match against Sri Lanka, although Bangladesh lost the match, but Mushfiqur had a very good performance. In the qualifier games, he's taken 3 catches and scored 38 runs against Scotland, which will give you points for his wicket keeping, and his overall career runs have been 1400 plus in 95 matches, which shows his pretty much experience. So Mushfiqur Rahim होने चाहिए आपकी टीम में. On the other hand, if you talk about Josh Butler, a very experienced player from Team England, in the last 4 T20 innings, he has scored 3 consecutive 50 plus runs with a strike rate of more than 120, a career strike rate of 140 and 24 not out in the first World Cup match against West Indies while chasing a small score of 56. But Josh Butler has to be there in your fantasy 11 team. Now let's talk about the batsmen. So we will suggest the top order 3 batsmen from the England team because the bowling attack of Bangladesh is not so very strong. So the first batsman was Josh Butler and the other 2 batsmen will be Jason Roy and Johnny Bairstow. अगर Jason Roy की बात करें तो in this year he made his IPL debut and has shown very good form. उनका career batting average है 25 and a strike rate of 145. And as you could see on the screen, his last 5 T20 scores have been nothing short of impressive: 36, 17, 32, 10 and 64 versus Pakistan series. So Jason Roy होने चाहिए आपकी टीम में. Number 2 will be Johnny Bairstow, pretty much experienced player from the England team, and if you look at the statistics, उन्होंने किए 49 and 30 runs in the first 2 warm-up games. In the last series against West Indies उन्होंने स्कोर किए 117 in just 3 matches. तो Johnny Bairstow होने चाहिए आपकी फैंटेसी 11 टीम में. और और बैट्समैन आप अपनी टीम में रख सकते हैं. बांग्लादेश की टीम से मोहम्मद नईम. मोहम्मद नईम ने स्कोर किए 62 runs in just 52 balls against Sri Lanka in the Super 12 match. 126 runs in 3 matches of the World Cup, pretty much good score. And in the last 25 T20 international, Mohammad Naeem ने 696 run score किए हैं with an average of 29. So that sums up the batsmen for the playing 11. All-rounders की अगर बात करें तो सबसे पहले मोइन अली, an all-rounder that was groomed in the IPL under the mentorship of MS Dhoni when he played for Chennai Super Kings. Now Moeen Ali had a very good IPL season, and if you talk about his performance in the T20 tournament, it has been also very good. He had scored 36 and 61 against Pakistan in the T20 series in England. और उनको मिला था मैन ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड इन द लास्ट मैच अगेंस्ट वेस्ट इंडीज, जो बहुत ही लो स्कोरिंग मैच हुआ था. बट मोइन अली वाज एक्सेप्शनल विद हिज ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस. अगर उसके बॉलिंग अटैक की बात करें तो 4 ओवर्स, 1 maiden over, 17 runs and just 2 wickets. Moeen Ali was in very good form, and given the fact that the pitches in Dubai are spinner friendly, Moeen Ali होने चाहिए आपकी fantasy 11 team में. The other all-rounder will be from Bangladesh, which is Shakib Al Hasan. Now this player had taken 9 wickets in the qualifier games in 3 matches and scored 108 runs. Was awarded Man of the Series against Australia in the T20 International 2021. Greatest ever match winner for Bangladesh. Picked 2 wickets for just 17 runs in World Cup against Sri Lanka. Shakib Al Hasan होने चाहिए आपकी Fantasy 11 team में. Now let's talk about the bowlers. Now as we suggested, bowling attack of Bangladesh is not very strong, and on the other hand, this was England's bowling attack that all out the West Indies team for just 55 runs. So very crucial for you to pick the right set of bowlers, and the number one bowler that we suggest will be Chris Jordan. Now this player is the death over specialist. The West Indies born Chris Jordan has picked 75 wickets in the 65 matches and 1 wicket for just 7 runs against West Indies. He has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. The other bowler will also be from the England team, which is Adil Rashid. Best bowling figure by any England bowler in a T20 tournament. Adil Rashid picked 4 wickets for just 2 runs against West Indies in the first match of the T20 World Cup. If you talk about the warm-up match, Adil Rashid picked 3 wickets for just 18 runs against New Zealand. Number 4 ICC T20 ranked bowler, जिन्होंने लिए थे 6 wickets in the 2 matches against Pakistan in the T20 series. Adil Rashid is an exceptional bowler and has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. The other bowler that we suggest will be Tymal Mills. Now this player has picked 2 wickets for just 17 runs against West Indies. Bowls economical overs, is a young fast bowler for England and provides strong value in the England bowling unit. There will be one more bowler and he will be from the Bangladesh team, which is Naseem Ahmed. Now Naseem Ahmed was awarded Man of the Series against New Zealand in the T20 series in 2021. There he picked 8 wickets in just 5 matches. He was man of the match against New Zealand for his career best bowling of 4 wickets for just 10 runs. Number 14th ICC T20 bowler, 20 wickets in his career of 15 matches with an average of 15.45. Naseem Ahmed होने चाहिए आपकी Fantasy 11 team में. Now if you are someone who makes teams on fantasy platforms like Dream 11 or My 11 Circle, और अगर आपको पिक करने आपकी टीम के लिए कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन, then the Cricket Tips power players will be Shakib Al Hasan and Jos Buttler. Now both of these players are in very good form and will give you more valuable points as a captain or a vice captain. So that was the complete match analysis video of Bangladesh versus England. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, share it with all your friends who make teams on fantasy platforms, and do share your views in the comments below and tell us if you agree to our playing 11 or not, and which player did we miss out in the playing 11. Never forget to subscribe to the Cricket Tips channel, where we keep bringing you such cricketing content each and every day, tournament after tournament. Be with us. We'll see you again on this very channel. Until then, thank you and goodbye.